Alright, so here's part two of the Flak vest. I'm just gonna go over what I've done in the past like hour and a half. I sewed the buttons on. They're pretty well secure on there. Pretty happy how that came out. Um, this button looks a little off because this plate right here is actually, I believe it's snapped in half because there's kind of like a big indent going on right here. But I did sew it on right, and it's just really because the plate is kind of messed up right there. But yeah, there's that. What else? I sewed this little tear right here. It's not as noticeable. And then the pockets as well. I sewed both of the pockets back together. This is a little hidden. I did leave a little bit of it unsewn, but it was because I honestly ran out of thread. So, and then this one I sewed. And then I believe it's on this side. I went ahead and repaired that part that was kind of tearing real bad. But yeah, so here's the flak for right now. Um, I am planning on trying to remove that gray color. I am really picky about certain things, so I'm gonna see if I could try removing that. Maybe somehow washing it out. If that doesn't work, I might try some other methods. On top of that, I'm gonna try putting that paracord that goes on the collar. See if I can find something really similar to that. If not, then I might purchase something that looks real close to it. But yeah, this is the flak. See you guys around.